With rising production costs, more rigid specifications, and stiffer competition, it takes the best screening equipment to meet the challenge. High-capacity, cost-cutting, hard-working Deister screens and feeders designed specifically to meet your application. Whatever the specification or material type, Deister engineers using the latest design and simulation tools will find the right solution for you. Ruggedly built using our state-of-the-art manufacturing equipment and processes and requiring minimal maintenance, Deister equipment delivers unmatched precision performance day after day and year after year. Deister equipment is backed by a follow-through parts and service policy without equal, 24-hour access to knowledgeable people, backed by a huge inventory of factory-spec spare parts, crews of experienced service technicians available on short notice, all to help you stay up and running. Our ruggedly built incline screens set the standard for the industry with a flexible design that allows the machine to be tuned for maximum productivity. Single shaft, twin shaft, and triple shaft mechanism styles are available to give optimum bearing life and flexible speeds and strokes. Deister wash screens are provided with a pre-assembled manifold and spray system from the factory that is attached to the machine and ready to be hooked up. Deister will mount nearly any type of brand or media at the factory at no extra charge. Our screens are protected with replaceable rubber, steel, or other wear surfaces. Deister top management is personally interested in the continued, profitable operation of every Deister screen and feeder. Don't just take our word on it. Listen to our customers.
Well, I was probably, I'm going to say about 1990 was probably the first time that I was around any Deister equipment. We had some other products in the service then, and we had quite a bit of trouble from time to time with them, so we was introduced to the Deister equipment. Seemed to work out great for us. We had everything from, the triple deck screens, 8x20s, to the 4 decks. I think we had some 10x24s, grizzly feeders. It all held up great. I mean, we was all very pleased with it. Since that time there, and I moved on, that's pretty much the only thing that we buy. The biggest thing is they're just tough machines. I can tell you all kind of stories of what used to happen with other machines, and I can tell you things that hasn't happened with these. They're just tough machines.
Deister is a preferred supplier to many of the largest aggregate producers, having hundreds of Deister screens and feeders in operation. Deister offers a wide range of feeders and screens for nearly every application, from the primary to the stockpile. Deister feeders can be configured up to 30 feet in length with pan-only, single grizzly, or multiple grizzly profiles that provide optimal fines removal. The slope of the feeder can be designed to match the tonnage of the crusher being fed. Grizzly bars are available in manganese, abrasion-resistant steel, or abrasion-resistant steel with tungsten carbide overlay. To complement our product lines, Deister has introduced an electromechanical vibrating feeder, also known as the EMF. This feeder is typically used in surge tunnels or to feed a secondary or tertiary crusher. Deister's configuration incorporates a simplified drive and easy-access sealed shaker motor. This design eliminates belt replacement and greasing of bearings while bearing life tops over 100,000 hours. The eccentric weights are not set at maximum, allowing for adjustment if necessary. The transmission spring design is what makes this a 2-mass system. The masses are the form deck with replaceable liners and the motor box. The pre-compressed springs are never in tension and have a constant spring rate. They are not susceptible to temperature or shelf life. At startup, you will see an immediate conveying of material. Deister will help you properly size the feeder based on your material type, product size, tonnage, density, and moisture content. As hopper design is critical to the performance of the feeder, Deister will give you the best recommendations on gate height and throat opening. We now stock 9 suspended sizes to accommodate your urgent needs. Engineered for greater day-to-day reliability and ease of maintenance, Deister's robust EMF line will ensure high-capacity feed rates and lower cost per ton. Deister offers custom-designed, heavy-duty reverse-slope dewatering screens for a full range of applications in aggregates, coal, industrial minerals, and hard rock mining in sizes up to 8 foot wide by 16 foot long. They are ideal for receiving hydrocyclone, separator, or hydrosizer underflow, and further dewatering the fine sand. Our dewatering screens are frequently used after sand screws to further dry the sand prior to conveying and stacking. Whether you're looking for ultra-fines recovery, dewatering, desliming, or rinsing, we have the right dewatering screen for you. Every Deister screen and feeder is test run, baselined, and evaluated by our quality control personnel with state-of-the-art vibration analysis equipment. We also have vibration analysis personnel available in the field to assist with fine-tuning and troubleshooting installations. Deister machine, since 1912. Always family-owned, always customer-focused.